Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear standard deviation in individual series by using all the three methods. Number 1, direct method. Number 2, shortcut method. And number 3, step deviation method. So let us start with direct method. And in all the three methods we will take same statement regarding x. The values of x are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. These are the values of x. And now let us start evaluating first of all direct method. Here frequency is not required because in individual series just the values of x means marks, height, weight, wages are given. So let us do calculate. In direct method, first of all we will calculate arithmetic mean. X bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. So let us do calculate the value of summation x. So sigma x is equal to 140 is equal to 140. And how many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items are there. So the value of x bar is equal to 20. Now let us do calculate the value of small x. For the calculation of small x, all the values of x, we will deduct x minus x bar. It means 20 will be deducted from all the values of x for the calculation of small x. So the values will be 5 minus 15, 5 minus 20 minus 15, 10 minus 20 minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, 15. Then let us do calculate the value of x square. The value of x square will be 225, 100, 25, 0, 25, 100 and last one is 225. And now let us do calculate the value of summation sigma x square. The values will be 700. So let us put the formula. Standard deviation is equal to sigma x square divided by n. Under root is equal to the value of summation x square is equal to 700 and the value of items are 7. N is equal to 7 is equal to under root 100 and which is equivalent to 10. So the value of standard deviation is equal to 10. 10 will be the answer. Now let us calculate standard deviation in individual series by shortcut method. Now we are taking the same values of x. The values of x are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. These are the values. In the previous sum, whenever we have calculated standard deviation by direct method, arithmetic mean was 20. It means we didn't assume mean. Now we will assume 25 from x as the assumed mean. So the assumed mean is 25 and no need to calculate x bar. Then x minus a, that will be the values of d. It means assumed mean is 25, x minus 25. So 25 will be deducted from all the values of x. The calculations will be minus 20, minus 15, minus 10, 0, minus 5, 0, 5 and last one is 10. Then let us to calculate d square. For the calculation of d square, 400, because it means minus 20 square, whole square. Minus 20 multiplied by minus 20, it will be 400. Then minus 15 multiplied by minus 15, 225. Then 100, 25, 0, 25 and last one is 100. And by summation all the values, sigma d square is equal to 400 plus 225, 625 plus 100, 725 plus 25, 750, 750 plus 25, 775 plus 100, 875. And let us to calculate the value of sigma d also. Summation d is equal to, so ये plus 100 minus 100 plus 10 minus 10 plus 5 minus 5. So the remaining values are minus 35. And now let us put the value in earth. Standard deviation is equal to sigma d square divided by n minus sigma d divided by n whole square, whole under root, is equal to, the value of sigma d square is 875. 875 plus divided by 7 minus sigma d minus 35 divided by 7 whole square, whole under root. The calculations will be, that would be equivalent to 125 minus 25 under root, it means under root 100, and the value of which is equivalent to 10, and the value of standard deviation is equal to 10. Again the value of standard deviation is 10 by shortcut method. Now let us start our third method of individual series. For the calculation of standard deviation, a statement is same, the values of x are same, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And now we have to assume. In the first method we have assumed, we didn't assume, rather we have calculated arithmetic mean, that was 20. Then in our second sum, in shortcut method, we have assumed a next value from 20, that was 25. And now I am assuming 15. 50 is the assumed mean. Now let us do calculate the value of d. For the calculation of d, that is x minus a is equal to d, which is minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, 15 and last one is 20. Next we have to calculate d dash. For the calculation of d dash, d will be divided by, whenever d will be divided by c, that would be equivalent to d dash. It means common class interval is of 5. all the values of x are having equal distance of 5. So the values will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then d dash square 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. And let us sum up sigma d dash and sigma d dash square is equal to, that is equivalent to -2 plus 2, -1 plus 1, that is 7. And here the calculations are 4 plus 1 5, 6, 10, 10 or 9 19, 19 or 16 35. So let us apply the formula. Standard deviation is equal to sigma d dash square divided by n minus sigma d dash divided by n whole square whole under root and multiplied by common class interval is equal to sigma d dash square is equal to 35, and the items are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The value of n is 7 minus sigma d dash, that is 7 divided by 7 whole square whole under root multiplied by common class interval we have taken 5 is equal to 5 minus 1 under root multiplied by 5, and this is 4 under root 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5, which is equivalent to 10. So the value of standard deviation again is 10. So we have calculated standard deviation in all the three methods. By direct method, the value of standard deviation is 10. By shortcut method, the value of standard deviation is 10. And by step deviation method, the value of standard deviation is also 10. Because we have taken the same values x. The value of x was same in all the three methods. So that's all regarding this video. So do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to standard deviation. Thank you.